Was the Wayne Dalton,
Yeah.
and that's what broke, eh?
Yep. This is
Wow.
the broken piece right here.
Okay. So
So
Wayne
you
Dalton is really not that good, eh?
They're a good builder's grade door. They're cheap and they're easy to get. So if you look, even just the size difference between this one and the spring that I put on
No
there.
wonder it snapped because it's 130 pounds.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. So,
So-
you took out the thing, eh?
Yeah.
So
It's got new cables. It's got a bigger spring on it.
okay, thank you. Oh, it's perfect, eh?
Mm-hmm.
That's the better spring,
Yep.
right? Okay, thank you so much. So I don't need to adjust it like the last one, eh?
Nope.
Okay.
Nope. These, I would recommend phoning me if it ever needs adjustment. So don't
Yeah.
try and do it yourself.
No, I'm not going to try. Okay, perfect.
I'll show you.
Yeah.